If there is a fire in a building, you have only 3 minutes to evacuate. That's why fire heroes act fast. You don't panic. You follow smart steps. Smoke rises. Clean air stays low. If you see smoke, get down low and crawl. Fire heroes move under the smoke. Before you open any door, stop. Use the back of your hand. Touch the door gently. If it feels hot, do not open it.
The door's hot!
Hot door means danger. Stay inside the room. Go to the window and call for help. If the door is not hot, open it carefully. Stay low and crawl out. And call for help.
Where are you? Mama!
If you are in a building, never use the elevator. Fire or smoke can stop it. Fire heroes always use the stairs. Stairs help you get out safely. The safest place to find your family is outside. Once you are outside, stay outside. Do not go back in. Not for toys, not for pets. Fire heroes never go back. And they stay with a safe adult.
Oh, my brave boy! Hi! I'm here now, you're safe!
Let's remember, act fast, get low, feel the door, use stairs, get out and stay out. You don't need to be big to be brave, you need to be smart. Hoot hoot! You did an amazing job today, fire hero. Smart choices save lives. Tell me in the comments, what is the first thing you do if there's a fire? And if you want to keep learning how to stay safe, tap subscribe and join the Whizzy Hoots Club. See you next time. Hoot hoot!